This is Luis Martin, the art engineer, and we're here. Can you tell? We are in the tropics of Cancer.
Is that what it's called?
Yes, that's it. Behind the camera is...
The one and only Elvis.
Hey, so it's really funny because it's true. It's really hot, and I'm glowing. That's what we'll call it. At any rate, so I'm gonna collage really quick, but I wanted to do a check-in. I didn't want to cancel. This is where we are. There's flowers and there's pretty art and there's people here doing stuff, so we're really happy and excited. I found a GQ España. It's not Mexico, but we'll roll with the punches. So like I said, I'm gonna do a quick one, and it's
Tom says you're glowing. Christine says, hola amigos.
Christine, what's going on?
Matt joined as well. He's saying hello.
Send help. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a quick collage, and I'm only gonna do 2 elements. So all you need for a collage is your scissors if you want. I got my CD template. I have my blade, and today I'm gonna use a dreaded glue stick because I can't find my little squares. And I have a marking tool. If you have a marker, if you have a pencil, do that. Ooh, you hear that?
It's sizzling, that's how hot it is.
Sizzling. So between you and I, do you wanna show? Show. That's Elvis's mom making dinner. We're gonna have a little get together and it's gonna be amazing. So stick around. All right, so come on over. We're gonna look at what's happening.
Lowbrow is saying hello to us.
Lowbrow.
Indigene is saying you look hot.
Indigene, thank you. I hope you're saying I look hot as in good, not as in through the pores. All right, so
Daniel joined too.
Daniel, please water my plants. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is a little bit better than the Mexican Vogue that I used in the YouTube video today because there's more people of color, look. So that's exciting. So again, I'm just gonna choose oh, that's beautiful. So much fun stuff to look at. So it's completely different. Oh, you hear that? That's dessert. Okay, so we're a little bit spoiled here. Here you can order kind of like Uber Eats. It's called Rapid, and they're actually really fast and really affordable. And we just ordered a cake.
Indigene is saying hi to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
She said hot as in fabulous.
Gracias. All right, so look, let's do something with this guy. This is kind of an interesting body.
Maggie's saying nice. Looks like a great visit.
Oh, you need to come. So it is, like I said, like the heat is for real. And it's tolerable. You know, as long as you're not doing hard labor, I can't even say the word, hard labor, you will do fine. Take a cab everywhere. It's just fine. I just realized I cut a cigarette. That's okay. We don't need cigarettes. Actually, I'm saving my lungs to when I'm 60 and then I'll start smoking, but that's another story. So I like him because he's kind of like plain, right?
Christine says the frying pan sound is nice. You could tell, right?
If only you could smell it. It really...
There was smell-o-vision.
Right? It smells like home. I mean, again, this is Elvis's mother, but it smells like home. All right, this is kind of cool. So let's see what we can do with this. Alrighty, 2 elements. I said I wanted 2 elements, right? So let me stick to my word. That's cool. See, love this. You know what? I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna look for another thing. So again, when you're doing your collages, the best thing is contrast, right? So anytime there's contrast, lean into it because you'll get better results. Look at that, beautiful. Oh, this is kind of cool. Yeah, found it. All right, this is it.
Alvarez Luis says, is this still Merida? Yes, it is.
Oh, yes, it is. If only you could see me, I'm pouring, sweating. So check this out. This is kind of cool, right? And this is what I'm gonna do. I said I was gonna do 2 elements, 1, 2, and then I have my marking tool. And kind of just draw the heck out of him. And then maybe, just maybe, we can play with, in my YouTube video that I just released today, I use my blade as a drawing tool because it's been, I had a Vogue, Mexican Vogue, and it just sucked, you guys. It didn't have anything really fun. So I started drawing with my blade, which is what I'm doing now. There is a lot of beautiful foliage. Here in Mexico, you can't escape it, so it's definitely influenced me.
I've been saying so perfect as per usual.
Oh, thank you. So see what's happening? It's kind of creating opportunities for happy accidents. And I kind of like the pink here. You guys, like, sweat is literally in my eye. But that's okay. That's no different from New York, actually. So what are the plans for this summer? Are we exploring our backyards? Are we exploring Mexico? I do hope you can take a little adventure somewhere, you guys, because...
Trey is waving at you.
Trey, what's going on? I can't wait to get home, actually. Trey has sent me a letter. I love that. Let's see. Here we go. So what's been your favorite thing so far, Elvis, that you've seen, that you've done, that you've eaten?
The food so far.
What have you eaten?
We had the cochinita pibil.
Oh, which is
amazing.
Legendary here. Pork. If anybody eats pork, this is the place to do it. I love desserts, so we actually ordered this very famous bakery, Tere Casola. She makes these brioche breads. Oh, so delicious. So loving this. So see how simple that was? Maybe I'll do one here. Just to kind of play with the purple. And then maybe we can connect them. No pressure. So it's very, very difficult to work with paper here because of the humidity. We have the air conditioning on right now. But so that really dictates, as artists, right? Like what kind of art you make, where you want it to live. And that really goes into our decisions. And Elvis is thinking of opening a bakery here, so that'll be fun. We'll let you know when that happens. So look how cool. I have this, so I'm just gonna marry this real quick. But look what happens. Never let anything go to waste. We made these little stars. We can use them.
That is still 2 elements.
You're right, that's still 2 elements. Thank you for keeping me honest, Elvis. There we go. How fun is that? Also, happy Pride, y'all, right? It's Y'all. And we listen to country music, leave me alone. Look at this. Fun. And this is my collage for today. A nice, simple 2-element collage. And that's it. So listen, I have been collaging on an ironing board because it was the coolest place to be upstairs and there was no desk. So there's no excuses. If you want to make art and have fun with it and just roll with it. So roll with the punches and see what comes up. Happy accidents all the time. All right, this is Luis Martin literally melting and Elvis behind the camera.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, wait. One thing. We're doing a session with the Peabody Museum. Essex Peabody Museum. So check them out. Go to their website, pem.org, and join. I think you can still get our collage pack through them. All right, ciao.